your brand. Me know you have your brand, but me I go talk now. Lady V tell me say, chocolate and chocolate. Chocolate don't like Dana, and it's not chocolate. It's the pattern of Lady V where come talk about me do love it. Nobody come talk because of the money when me get from over Dana, you vex. And when you went to Jamaica, nobody come talk, me no do you nothing. You called her because when you went to Jamaica, but they don't do. If they had done a live and said that you did ask her, she did ask you, what you did ask, but what you want, and she don't want it, but you carry the light, you carry the chandelier fear, right? Lady V told me, you remember when they done this argument when Lorraine did have it upon make one ceremony over it? Come here, Miss Liar, come here, Lady V Liar, Lady V QC, come here. None of you beat me out here, and the more no come out, she send you out. I will report everything. Well, anyway, since chocolate come out already, Lady V told me that chocolate. Lady V, what kind of frog you say chocolate look like again? What kind of frog you say chocolate favor again? Lady V told me that chocolate called her. And chocolate don't like Dana. And Lady V said, based on the Dundos, chocolate was very upset. Was very upset. And chocolate say, had Dana call her and beg her the lamp. How the fuck you gonna come out and now come talk about you? No, mix me up. Don't you dare do that bumbo clat. I may have to something. Who I tell lie upon you? When them did come out upon Lady V data. Not only chocolate one. She saying a like Dana. I know only chocolate one. So if you don't know nothing, hold your Bible. If you want to come back, come build your platform, no come go on like say. I'll ask her about the chandelier. And chocolate tell her say Dana is a fucking liar because Dana beg her the chandelier. So the bumbo clot you are going to take up for your big old heavy blood clot, every tongue half done self. You no come in here, come ready for every blood clot one uno. Fi come blood clot. How you are going to take up and come say a lie me I tell? Where you blood clot there? So if Lady V, so that means to say a lie me I tell. Didn't you reach out to her and apologize about what you said about her? And that the day you are the first blood clot somebody come out with her daughter. So big tongue, big soul. You look for when me tell you go look one decent brazier. You run out in a mix up. You need, since you want your name call. Lady V, sister, Eddie will reach out to her. Everybody will reach out to her. Can me even say to her, say, when she tell me back what you say, Gracie, me say, Lady V, don't tell me, you know. Don't tell me what Gracie say, you know. Don't tell me what Gracie say. You hear you, Gracie? So go fix that. Tell me if I lie, me I tell. Don't come make me look no dirty blood clot girl now make me look like Clyde. When you go back up your story. You can't say you don't believe me. You don't have all right to believe because it is not about you. You notice me never touch your part. If I tell you, so she say, you reach out to her, but at the end of the day, all the way the woman at Portland do her, you cast it. When you reach, didn't you reach, you not call her. You never did call her and say, the woman, no, same as you call her, she call me and tell me, say, you and her did up on the phone, you Gracie, you Charmian Gross. You, me say, the first name, but it's not the last name fit them, so. You never did come out. And she say you call her. And you said to her, say, Dana enough to make you come out here to her because I lied and I tell upon you. Did you do that? even say she a go mention it. Me said, Jesus Christ. Yeah, big cow, big sow. You know, you shall call me. Of course, me have struggle, but me have fitness when me struggle for now. And Obi a man and cocking your mouth for my money. Because I said, Oban, Lady V said, you'd reach out to her and down by your face. And she would have wonder why you have to change your bed. Why would I wonder? Because I say, how people buy your bed. Lady, the bed when me have I remember what can buy that. Nobody no buy me no bed. Anyway, when I go and talk, I left that because I not care she come and I not get she come from. Where you did see them a come, or where were you see? Where you did see them a come from? When you go along there. Uno no call nobody name on my platform. When people uno see how they come out. When people hear that name in these times, I will be only talking in people who take it up. Me no want nobody come out for me. Cause Lady V did call and I send message behind the scenes that I look people go out on there. Lady V sick. Lady V is a mad ass man here. Cause nobody care wicked so. Nobody care wicked. So when the woman tell me say, Lady V say in not talk to the woman.